My name's Brady Green. This property is Carrawingie Farms. We're 5th generation farmers, so we moved around a little bit, but 1988 we moved to this property. Prior to that, yeah, we farmed in Killarney, and prior to that we farmed in York, Gunderton. We're 50 kilometres northeast of Geraldton, and yeah, farming wheat, lupins, canola. We're cropping just short of 9,000 hectares. Our annual rainfall is around 350 mils. Our soil type is 75% yellow sand and 25% red loam and clay. In 2012 we recognised compaction and soil pH as our limiting factors. That became a targeted approach to deal with those issues. We recognised we need a lot of lime sand, and deep ripping and controlled traffic has been a real priority for us. We worked on our liming and our pH for 5 years before we implemented a spader. In 2017 we started spading, and that has been a significant factor in increasing yields. The changes have been significant. We've certainly opened up the size of our bucket. We're now allowing the plants to chase moisture and nutrients far better than they ever did before. We're also getting a better established crop due to the amelioration. All of those benefits are flowing through to greater yields. Non-wetting sand was our most frustrating characteristic of the soil, and to be able to fix that and get reward for planting the crop at the right depth at the right time has been a major winner. We feel like we have production where we want it, but our weed control is something that needs to be a real focus. I've been involved with the Unifarm Improvement Group since I came home from school, so it's always been a really transparent group that shares information, and yeah, it's been a joy to be a part of. Been president of that for the last 6 years. I've never seen working with other growers as competition. We've lost so many people in this industry over the last 30 years that I see it really important now that we share this information so we don't lose any more. I've always enjoyed working at YFIG because so many people have that same moral compass. So yeah, we like to make sure that the same mistakes don't get repeated, and we also celebrate our successes. Finding new research ideas is not easy. We stumble across these and they might vary from year to year, but YFIG Group's got the ability to very quickly pull a trial together and try to access some funding to get the answers, whereas the traditional methods are very slow moving. I think that's why we're a bit more dynamic at YFIG, and that's how we can make these projects hit the ground a lot quicker. Farming's easy to be passionate about. It's an industry that we're lucky we get to start each year with a blank canvas, and whatever mistakes we made last year we can correct and improve on. I think the soil health journey is a lifelong road, so we're part way along it. We've ameliorated the whole farm, and I believe most of our pHs are now in a neutral state. A good place to start practicing better soil health is by addressing your pH and compaction. They're the two characteristics that were most restrictive on this farm. Agriculture is a very easy industry to be passionate about. We're all passionate about what we do, and we all have the same end goal, which is to leave it in a better place than what we got it. One thing we know is that we're extremely privileged to be here and do what we do. The collaboration amongst the groups and sharing that information is what drives us all to be better, and the ability to grow a crop and harvest it is something that you never get tired of.